Run that back, turbo.
Baby, sell out flex, cash every day. I got you a max, I light up the race. This chick on my pet, the condo.
What's happening, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, Ron, back here with another one. You know what I'm saying? And today's video is how to grow and keep your freeform dreads healthy. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell y'all like this stuff I do, what I use, how I moisturize my hair, what I use to wash it. Basically what I do every day to get my freeforms healthy and that grow super fast. Before we get started, drill that subscribe and like button, bruh. Like, drill that subscribe and like button. Also, share the video, you know what I'm saying? Show all your friends, bruh. I already told y'all, so y'all need them freeformers. Everybody can have freeformers, but if you don't want to share it, still share it, you know what I'm saying?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Go follow me on the ground down here. We about to just get straight into it. Yiddy. So first, I'm gonna start off by showing y'all what I use. So I use this stuff right here, right there. It's like this is what I use to moisturize my hair. This stuff is real good. It smells good too. This is what I use. Olive Miracle. I cannot speak. I use this. I've been using this for like 2 months, and this stuff, it smells good and it keep your hair moist, bruh. And it feels so good when you put it in the soap. It feels real good. This stuff definitely works, bruh. Like, y'all need to go pick it up today. You know what I'm saying? This is the moisturizer I use. And I'm gonna put where you can get it from and how much it costs on the screen somewhere. So it's a moisturizer. I'm about to show y'all the shampoo. Alright, so the shampoo that I use is everyday coconut shampoo. You know what I'm saying? My mom bought this. I'm about to ask her where she bought this from, because I really don't know. I think it was like Giant Eagle or Walmart or something like that, but this is the shampoo I use. You know what I'm saying? This stuff is good. You know what I'm saying? I've been using this for like 3 months. Bruh, it smells good too, you know? This stuff really helps. You know what I'm saying? This stuff helps, bro. Like, pick it up today. Okay. Y'all need this if y'all want y'all freeform to be growing and to be freaking long. You know what I'm saying? Long, bruh. My hair would go down longer, but it's dreaded up, so it don't go down that far. But you know what I'm saying? It got length. You know what I'm saying? It has length. You know what I'm saying? And I just retwisted my freeforms today. Link in the description on how to retwist freeform dreads, because I just did mine today. I made a video on it, so go check that out, bro. Link in the description. You feel me? So when you got freeform dreads, you don't want to wash them like every day, every other day, every other day. No, you don't want to do that. At least not when you start. Ooh, I wash my hair every other week, so I would say wash your hair. If you just starting, wash it maybe every 2 weeks, because you want to let it form and everything. How to freeform dreads fast, I made a video on that too, you know what I'm saying? So go, link in the description, go check that out, you know what I'm saying? But I wash my hair every other week, but if you just starting, I wash it every 2 weeks. Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all how I wash my hair, like what I do. So what I do is hop in the shower, I grab my shampoo that I use, that I just showed y'all, coconut shampoo, and I squirt. Well, I'll do one little squirt in my hand, and then I rub it together, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get all that together. So I'm rubbing, and then I just put all of my hair as I'm washing in the shower, you know what I'm saying? So as I'm in the shower, I'm just rubbing it through. You don't have to put your whole head in the water. I usually don't. I don't know if you, I usually don't, but you can if you want. But you just put it in there, scrub it through your whole hair, as like massage it into like just massage it in as you washing it and everything. So when after you do all that, put the water on cold, and then just put your head in the water. I always do this, like put it on some like cold water. Just put your head in the water like this, and just massage it and rub it. Do that for about 20 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds. And like cold water like really help your scalp. So your freeforms will be growing. I'm telling you, trust me, your freeforms will be growing if you listen to me. So do that. Put your hair in some cold water, do all that. And so after that, you know what I'm saying, grab your towel, dry your hair, just like squeeze it. Don't like be like, bruh. Don't do all that. Just be like, just squeeze it. Grab a towel and just squeeze your hair like this. Grab parts of your hair and just squeeze it and dry it with your towel like that. And you don't want to really damage it, so just do that. And then, you know what I'm saying, that's how I wash my hair. That's all you need to do for washing. So, and then after you done washing off, you grab Olive Miracle, you know what I'm saying? You grab this stuff, and you put like a quarter size amount in your hand, like that, you know what I'm saying? Rub it in your hands, just put it all through your hair, just like massaging your scalp all through your hair like that, massaging everything. And then I only moisturize my hair every other day, not every day, every other day. Y'all probably like,
every other day, man, my stuff gonna be gone. I ain't gonna have the money to keep buying.
Alright, you don't gotta do it every other day, cause sometimes I don't even do it every other day. Bruh. You know what I'm saying? But at least do it every other day, or every other day. You know what I'm saying? If you go on any longer, you're tripping, my guy. Your hair's not gonna grow. You're a baby boom.
Bro, I'm out, man.
It's like, nah, but try to moisturize it like what I said, you know what I'm saying? Because you gotta really get that moisture for your freeforms to grow. On the days that I don't moisturize it, like the days like every other day, the days that you don't moisturize it, just go in the bathroom. Whenever, like I usually do when I wake up, just go in the bathroom, turn on the water, and just put some in your hand, and then just rub it like this. You get it wet, you know what I'm saying? That'll like wake up your freeforms, and it'll keep it moist too. Like these are the days you don't moisturize. Like the days you don't use your moisturizer, just like grab some water and just rub it through your hair, you know what I'm saying? And then that's really it, you know what I'm saying? That's really it. That's all I really do. I showed y'all how to wash it, how to moisturize. Am I forgetting anything? So do all that, you know what I'm saying? And then your freeform will be popping, you know what I'm saying? I gotta go. Alright, so if you follow everything that I just told you and you keep doing it, I guarantee you, your freeforms will grow. They will get long, bro. I'm telling you. Listen to it, I follow myself. Your freeforms will get long, bro. You can get out that ugly dread phase. You can get into my phase, you know what I'm saying? The nappy, well, it's all nappy, but the raw phase, you know what I'm saying? So just follow what I'm telling you, bro. And I'm telling you, bro, your hair will be long, bro. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all check out my other videos too, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't just make hair tutorial videos and all that. I actually got some funny videos, so go check that stuff out too. Also, don't forget to check out how to freeform super fast, like not super fast, but how to freeform dreads fast. Link in the description. And I got a video on how to retwist freeform dreads. So if you like tired of your dreads getting all, it look way too nappy and like bad, my retwisting method will get you just right, and it don't take long. You know what I'm saying? So link in the description. Check that out. Check out my other videos. I just said that. You know what I'm saying? And let me know what y'all trying to see next. You know what I'm saying? Follow me on the gram too. You know what I'm saying? Follow me. I'm trying to get up there. You know what I'm saying? Drill that subscribe and like button. Like, drill that thing. You know what I'm saying? Share the video, all that. And then it's your boy. Sign out.